was in the culinary school, Escuela de Hostelería de Sevilla, and then everything started from there. So my first school was in Cuba when I was 17 years old. I don't want to say my age right now, so you guys imagine. Okay, so, and I'm representing here Centurion Restaurant Group. What is Centurion Restaurant Group? It's a company over like 12 years, like owns Buya Gasobar brand, Pisco Inasca brand, Beehive, and we just bought recently Havana Harris restaurant. It's a restaurant over 25 years in Miami. I know the people from Miami, they know the restaurant very well because it's very famous. So in this case, I'm representing right now Buya Gastrobar. So we have 8 locations. We have four locations in Miami, and we got two more locations in Florida, and we got 3 more locations out of the state. Also, we have 4 locations for the Pisco in Alaska. Like I say, 1 location of Beehive Kitchen is a healthy kitchen, and the Havana Harris. So, what can I say about Buya? Buya is a Spanish casual restaurant. Buya words means noise in Spanish. Buya, like a lot of noise. It's a fun restaurant, so you can go like try the happy hour menu, 5 to 7 every day. I can guarantee it's one of the best happy hours in town. Also, we have a brunch menu. Also, we have a quarterly seasonal menu. Then how it works? So we take chef from all locations, and we travel to Spain every year, and we take some ideas, and then we create a menu quarterly, basically like by season, fall, spring, winter, and summer. So right now we're gonna have pretty soon a launch of the seasonal menu, October 4th. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you wanna come to join us. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna do gazpacho andaluz. Gazpacho andaluz is a cold soup. I know you guys heard before about it. Like like soup is in Spain. They have hot soups and they have cup soups. In this case, so we're gonna share our recipe of our original gazpacho from Buya Gastrobar. It's very simple. So we have a few ingredients here you can see. So we have tomatoes, we have onions, peppers, cucumbers, garlic, cherry vinegar, olive oil, salt, and a little bit of sugar. Everything is pretty easy. Just cut the vegetable like raw chop, like rinse the vegetable very well like any other vegetable, and then we just blend it, like emulsify with the olive oil. It's very simple. It's very refreshing. I hope you guys enjoy it. So we're gonna have the kitchen now to bring some gazpacho for you guys. Have you guys visited Buya before? Yes? What's your favorite dish of Buya? Everything? Croquetas, yeah, very famous. Our menu is divided in 4 sections. We got the tapas, we got the main dishes, we got the seasonal menu, and we got the desserts. So we bring everything, all the produce from Spain. So we use olive oil from Spain. We use all the cured meats and cheese from Spain. So it's very traditional. Like I say, it's a casual restaurant. It's a fun restaurant. It's not a fine dining. So the first location was in Buya. Buya Gastrobar was in 2500 Ponce de Leon Boulevard, which was a fine dining restaurant before called Porfin. And then the owner of the restaurant, Carlos Centurion, he decided to switch the concept to the tapas style. So we were closed for 1 year, and then we reopened as a Buya Gastrobar in 2013. That was the first restaurant of the company, and then everything started from there. We keep growing. We have some projects coming up, like you open up West Palm Beach. We have more Piscos in Alaska in the Washington area, like Virginia, and that's pretty much it. You guys like it? Very refreshing, eh? It's good for the summer. I mean, Miami is always summer. So I know in Spain, so we use pretty much more like an Andalusia part, like this is the south of Spain, which is is hot, but Miami is a good soup for Miami, and it's pretty easy to make. All right? Okay, so, okay, guys, I think that's all. This is a very short presentation. We have only one dish. I promise you guys for next year, so I will bring more stuff, and then we can cook for you guys. All right? Thank you very much. Thank you.